Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with safety and the first actionable cuts. Put on gloves, eye protection, and long sleeves. Make sure a helper steadies the ladder. Inspect the trunk for rot, nests, or cables, then mark a clean cut line about 1/3 of the trunk above the crown to avoid regrowth damage. Using a pole saw, remove outer fronds first to reveal the central trunk. This gives access and reduces weight. Once done, clear cut debris away, so you have an unobstructed work area for larger cuts. You now take down the trunk in controlled sections. Start at the marked line and cut downward in 2 to 3 foot segments so each piece is manageable. Use an angle cut to prevent the saw from pinching and to control fall direction. Make sure someone supports the section as you finish the cut, then lower it safely. Don't let heavy pieces swing. Keep an eye on tool heat and chain tension. If the motor or chain gets hot or bogs, stop and cool or adjust before continuing. You complete the job by finishing the stump and cleaning up. Trim the remaining 2 to 4 inches of trunk smooth for a clean base and apply sealant only if you want slower decay. Otherwise, allow natural breakdown. Chip or mulch the fronds and trunk pieces or haul them per local regulations. If at any point the cut binds, the trunk splits, or a section falls unpredictably, stop immediately. Resecure supports, make a relief cut, and only proceed when it's stable to avoid injury.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.